Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. I'm with Reginald and the rest of the babies, and we just finished up having breakfast. And, the babies asked me a question during breakfast. We were having honey because Big Bear loves honey like his cousin, Winnie the Pooh. And they were asking me, where does honey come from? So I was just about to explain to them. What's that, Reginald? You know where honey comes from? It comes from Trader Joe's. Okay, well, yeah, this came from Trader Joe's, but I'm talking about the honey inside. The honey inside comes from the bees. That's right. Bees visit flowers, they collect the pollen, they bring it back to the hive, and they make honey by working together. And it's an amazing, yes, and then they put it into a container, they put a label on it, and it gets sold at Trader Joe's. Okay, right. But we're not talking about that part, Reginald. We're talking about how the bees make honey. Okay. It's like a gift they have, and every bee has a skill, has a job to do. And when they work together, they can make something wonderful, and we get to enjoy it. We can put it on crackers. We can put it on toast like Big Bear did. And yeah, it's natural. It's good for you. It never gets old, I don't think. What about you, Batman? Do you like honey too? I can't have sugar because I'm working on my six-pack abs. And so, yeah, I'm reducing my sugar and my diet. And okay, we know that you like to work out, Batman, and not have sugar. But sugar is okay to have in small amounts. You just don't want to have too much sugar, because if you have too much sugar, okay, you might have to go to the dentist. And our dentist here is Abominable Snowman. He's our resident dentist, and he loves to get visits from the babies and check out their teeth. But anyway, yes, we all have gifts, okay? We all have skills. Green Gorilla, he can climb really great. And Spider-Man, he can shoot a web and stick to stuff. It's awesome. We all have... What's that, Hello Kitty? What's your special gift? Oh, well, yours is hospitality. You're so sweet. You're so helpful. You love to serve others, okay? And you're so kind. That's a special, special gift. And so we all have gifts. You too, boys and girls. Each one of you has a special gift. And we can learn a lot from how the bees work together in a hive to make honey, if we can be that way to each other as well. So how about if we do a song this morning that I just wrote about how to follow the example of the bees and to be respectful to each other, to be kind and helpful and polite, to listen to one another and be obedient to our parents, our mother and our father, and follow the example of Jesus. That's right. So here we go. Let's see if we can do the song. Okay. Here we go. The bees love to visit the flowers, and then they make honey. That's their superpowers. But working together is their real skill. Let's learn how they do that in a song by Mr. Phil. Be respectful and be kind. Be helpful and polite all the time. Listen closely and obey. Let's follow Jesus. Show us the way. Be good boys and girls. Be nice to each other. Let's do what Jesus said and love one another. And here's the way we can. Let's follow this very simple plan. Be respectful and be kind. Be helpful and polite all the time. Listen closely and obey. Let's follow Jesus. This is the way. La 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la. So now we see the secret of the bees and how they can make honey as sweet as it can be. The secret is that the bees all work together, and when you add it up, it's more than we can measure. This is the way we can. We just follow this very simple plan. Be respectful and be kind. Be helpful and polite all the time. Listen closely and obey. Let's follow Jesus, 'cause he is the way. Amen. Amen. That's right. That's right. If we follow the example of Jesus and the bees, we can work together and use our special gifts with one another. So thank you for singing with us, being with us today. Have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next week, okay? All right. Bzzz. Okay, you're not a bee, Reginald. You're not a bee. Bzzz.